What's up everyone, welcome to a new GoPro 8 unboxing. Yes, I've got the GoPro Black Friday deal with a bundle and bunch of extras. Now the GoPro 8 comes with some pros and cons. Pros are HyperSmooth 2.0, microphone improvement and some other features, but there are some cons regarding the case, and I have my old GoPro 7 here, so we're gonna compare it and see what's better on this one and the new one, and what's maybe not so much better on the new one and better on the old one. Also, if you want to see unboxing of the new iPhone 8, iPhone 11 Pro, that's going to be in a separate video linked in your top right corner. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. Okay, first things first, let's check the accessories. Now, I really thought GoPro did a good job this year because they finally decided to give a Black Friday deal. I don't think they did that in the past. So if we look at here, this is what you get in the box. There's one less sticky mount here. This is the curved one. There's no flat one anymore. Honestly, I don't care. I never use that. And just to see the camera, like inside, it's more plastic finish, not rubber. And then you have the GoPro app. Just to show you the box before I unbox it. So 12 megapixel camera, it's the same, 4K 60 frames per second. More slow motion, I think. HyperSmooth 2.0, Time Warp 2.0, which I never used. 180p, Live Burst, Super Photo, HDR, Raw Photo. You have now a little part where you mount the screws. It's foldable. Voice commands, touchscreen, 10 meters or 33 feet underwater, and GPS. Now, personally, I turn off the GPS. I don't need that function. Touchscreen, like every touchscreen I had with the GoPro, honestly, when you're in water, it just flashes. Like if there's any waves, if you're in sea, it turns on the functions, so it's kind of hard to operate it honestly in the water. If you're new to the GoPro, I think you should just know that. So okay, another feature. Now, I do point of view videos with similar setup like this, but not on top of my head, on my forehead. That's not a good position. I have an extension, so the camera is like lower, but this is the GoPro original head strap. And you have this clip on, so you can clip it to your, I don't know, seat belt. I mean, not seat belt, but a belt, or you can put it on your hat or something. So we're gonna open all of that. And of course, I got the extra battery, which is great because you need batteries if you use it professionally like myself. And you get an SD card. Now, my friend ordered on the, I think, Cyber Monday or Sunday before that. And I don't know if it's a mistake if GoPro ran out of 32 gigabyte SD cards. He got a 64 gigabyte, so I feel sorry that I didn't get one, but you know, it doesn't matter. I have already some, so yeah. So I'm not going to be unboxing this. This is, you can see this is the card it came on with the camera. So I guess you can get either 32 or 64 gigabytes if you were lucky. And another feature that I really think is great, it's the Shorty. So mini extension, pull, and tripod. And as you can see on the box, on the back, so it could be like a Shorty grip, it can be a small tripod, it can be extensive like a selfie stick, and it could be like a stand tripod. So it's pretty cool. Here's some side informations. A lot of legal information or multiple languages. So I don't think, you're interested in that, honestly. So let's do this. Let's unbox the camera. This is like inside, and it's gonna be a little bit hard with both hands, but actually with one hand instead of both. So let me see here. I need to pull this tab. And I already didn't pull it hard enough, so only part of it snapped. It didn't even pull all the way, but yeah, okay, so it's opened. So let's see what's inside. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff on the side. We're gonna do it one by one. But first things first, the GoPro 8. So let's see. Now this is some sort of standard way of GoPro packing the cameras. Now, put it like this. So, empty box, we can put it aside. We don't need it anymore. And this is the GoPro. Now, if you're wondering, I'm filming on the new iPhone, which I said you're gonna see in the unboxing. Actually, I already unboxed it. I'm filming it right on it now. So you're looking this in 4K wide angle currently. Now I'm gonna focus back on a standard. So yeah, it looks good in person. I like the GoPro quality. Now, okay, let me show you on the box. So you need to remove this rubber part, and then you can pull out the GoPro. You can unstick this and use it as a mount, of course, as well. So, you know, some people will use this as a stand. It's a flat stand, and, you know, that's cool. But let's remove the GoPro. So you push these two tabs, the camera goes down. So you're supposed to use this, do this with both hands. And so you push it out. So you got this. I'm gonna check what's in the box. So this is the camera. Honestly looks good, but the doors are on the side now, and there's only one door. So the mode button is on the other side now. So I'd like to unscrew this, but it's kind of heavy with one hand. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Let's continue with the unboxing. So if we open this up, gonna see here. So you can try the GoPro Plus. Some service, I'm thinking getting that because it covers your damage-free cloud storage. Now, these are some pointers how to open and the case where the SD card goes. And let me see here. Some other stuff. So you need to charge it on the same door. That's what I don't like, because the battery is exposed. And you got this mods. It's basically, you know, self-explanatory, but in case someone doesn't understand that, some GoPro stickers here, and this is the stuff. So I'm gonna put that on the side. Now inside the box you get some books, and then you get, let me show you here. So you get the USB-C charging cable. Now this here, it's white again, it's not blue. So I have a old one just to show you from the GoPro 7, and I like the fact it was blue. So camera's focusing, but you know, I don't mind it if it's just white. So let me see what else. So as mentioned, curved. There's no flat one anymore. I never used this, so I don't mind. And then the new battery. The new battery is just, you know, as a blue. So apparently what I've heard and I read, the blue one is not compatible with the with this one without a software update, I think. Actually, no, excuse me. This one is not completely compatible with the 7 or lower, but the 7s is compatible with this one if you upgrade the software, something like that. So that was a lot of criticism about that. Just so they want you to buy the new battery, I guess. So that's you know, a little sucky. So I don't know, should I open the battery case? No, this one's even harder with one hand, honestly. This is the battery. And, you know, some legal information here. But let me see if I can unscrew this the opposite way, obviously. Yeah, I can do it. It's going. It's basically the same plastic one. And then you can remove this. So just to show you, this is the part you are using. And then you have this remove small piece. Is it off? It's off. So this is your mount. Also, I never use this. and this is something you're supposed to remove. So back on the GoPro. Now this is a new feature. So this little legs, you have a microphone underneath. You can put them like that, so it's flat, you know, it's just like the GoPro 7. Okay, so I've opened it with the scissors. Let's see what's in the box of the Shorty. So yeah, let's open it wide here. Look in the box. So I guess there's just cardboard. I really need to get a tripod. But I guess I'll have one after this. So the box is empty, so that's it. Push that to the side, and let me see here. GoPro. This looks quality made, but it's kind of okay. Maybe this is making the sound. Plastic. It's just, you know, plastic. I wish it was rubberized, so it would be better grip in the hand. I don't know. I have maybe larger hands, but long fingers, but now I'm not sure how this works. So after playing with it, just, you know, I just have to pull it out, and it folds out to a tripod. So I just figure it could extend even more, so that's convenient. So I'm gonna give it with a shot. Maybe it's not that bad, but I wish this was maybe just rubberized. It feel a lot more quality made. Open with the scissors the extra battery, and now I started breaking the cardboard. I don't want to do that, but so. Oh, this one's nice. You can pull this one out. So, wow, another box inside of the box. So, warning, and it's just a paper, and that's the battery. Same thing. It looks the same. So, yeah. It's nice to have a second battery. I wish I got a charger, maybe. There's a charger for 2 batteries, but GoPro didn't include that in the bundle. That'd be a lot more useful there. And least but not last. So I was trying to use a metaphor, but wrong one. So yeah, let's see here. When you get in the box. This is like they knew I was going to open this with one hand, like, yeah. So let's see here. I can pull this out. I kind of pulled it out, yeah, on the paper. Oh, so another screw. That's good. I always use some more screws, and I guess this is the clip, and there's just cardboard inside. So GoPro be a hero. Now, ooh, this feels nice. This is spongy, and honestly, this clip feels good. But oh, it's just like I thought there was going to be something you can press, but I guess you just push something to this, or just like this, and then you can clip it somewhere. Of course, you got another screw, and it's packed into this. So let me see here. So this is a good packaging. You see the stripes? Maybe I can reuse this for something like this. It's like a good rubber, honestly. But so let me use that wide angle. So there's a lot of stuff that I have here, but you can better see if I just put it to normal. So now this cloth feels good, honestly. No. And yes, that was, oh, you have this rubber inside. But now, oh, you have, this is good. So GoPro, just for your back head. Now I've been using this a lot, another one, because this is how the front looks, where the screws go. Now this is good to have this rubber so that it doesn't go up and down on your head. It's just on the front sides and the front. Now this is curved, and honestly this can be painful if you're filming for maybe more than half an hour. This can be painful, but the quality is good for the, honestly, for this one. So, and you get the clippy. So let's see if I put all the boxes on the side. So in the bundle, what do you get? You get the head strap, which is pretty good. You get the clippy, you get a screw, second screw, you get the battery, you get the grippy. That could have been maybe a little bit better quality in my opinion. And then you get the camera. There's another battery inside of it, and you get this standard mount, you get a second screw, and you get the curved sticker mount, which is in the box, and that's it. This is my old camera, but I think it's not a bad deal. You get all of this, and it was cheaper just than the camera itself in this bundle. So I know this video is a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna show it to you here since I was comparing GoPro 7. This is the case, so it would come in a case that was protective. The cameras itself both are waterproof, so this one's still waterproof, but you used to get a case, and now you have to pay for extra one if you want to get it for this one. It's transparent, it's not black, but I don't know, I used to use the case. I'm gonna try with the new one. Now, just to show you, this was my head strap, and this is, you know, made in China. This is a little bit less quality. I think this feels a lot better. And inside it had all around a rubber, but only one piece. But even on the back, and also had sponge on the back. But this is the extension I'm using, so I bought these extensions, and I needed to use 3 screws. So if this is my forehead, my eyes are in this level, watching across the camera. It's something like, I don't know, if you put it on, like your eyes are closer, like, let me see if I can do that with the zoom. Like you watching here, you can barely see the camera when it's on. That was my idea, and it kind of works in person, in reality, if you're making a point of view video. So thank you for watching. We're gonna see you in the next one. I'm gonna sign out here, and I'm going to you know, do another review of the maybe infotainment, or just compare to this camera's quality in the next separated video. So if you want to watch that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell to get notifications when I upload a new video. Also, if you like new cars, you're gonna see that as well. Check the channel. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye. Of course, if you like this video, please give it a like, or leave your comment below. What do you think about the new GoPro 8? Is it better or worse than GoPro 7? I don't know. I'm gonna figure that in the future when I test both of the cameras, but you know, I like to hear your opinions, so type them down below.